Hello, my name is Olivia Laurie,
And I'm Helena Vera Castro,
and this is Tell Me Something Good at Unity Classical.
and we are here to tell you something good.
We have some really exciting stuff going on this week, and we can't wait to tell you.
Hi, I'm Chloe Womack, and this is Tell Me Something Good News. Today is Monday, January 22nd, and next up we have Sky Evans with some fun facts about cats.
Hello, I'm Sky Evans at Unity Classical Charter School, and this is Tell Me Something Good. Today is January 22nd, aka Ask Your Cat a Question Day, where you ask your cat a question and you try to understand him or her better. And you also give him little treats. Back to you, Chloe.
Hey, we're back. Thank you, Sky Evans, for some great new facts about cats. And here I have Helena Vera Castro.
Hi. So, Chloe, do you have any pets?
No, I don't. Do you?
Yes, I actually have 5. I have a dog named Sylvie from Sylveon. Then I have 2 cats named Harley and Beta. These names are all based off some of my favorite characters. And then I have a hamster named Zipper. He actually died like last week. And then I have a bearded dragon named Danny from Game of Thrones. And then I have a turtle that's named Leo, and he's
Okay, Trey
he's
Robinson,
not
we're
really,
ready
he's
for the
brown,
weather.
and he came from Mexico.
Thank you, Chloe. I'm Trey Robinson, and I'm here with this week's forecast. Today, on Monday, it will be a high of 48 and a low of 24. On Tuesday, it will be a high of 54 and a low of 32. And on Wednesday, the highest will be 61 and a low of 49. The rest of the week will be rainy. I'm Trey Robinson, and back to you, Chloe.
Thank you, Trey Robinson, for our weather reports. Next, we have Andrea with our virtues.
Hi, my name is Andrea, and this is Tell Me Something Good at Unity Classical. The virtue for this month is leadership, and I'm going to be interviewing Jaden Jones. So what do you think of when you hear the word leadership?
What I think of when I hear the word leadership is I think of someone who has the ability to guide and influence people in great ways.
Who do you think of as a good leader?
I think of Mr. Keith as a good leader. He sets a good example for me not only in the classroom, but also just in life in general.
I'm Andrea, and this is Tell Me Something Good.
Hello, I'm Birdie Allen reporting to you live, and we're down in stairwell 1C with some breaking news. Look at this doorknob, it's broken. Stay safe and cautious. I'm Birdie Allen reporting to you live, and this is your breaking news.
Hello, my name is Drew Hitchin, and I have a few upcoming events for you. On January 26th, there is a dress down day, so you can wear whatever you want. On January 24th through the 25th, there are cheer tryouts for any girls or boys that want to try out. Just head downstairs to Miss Padel and she'll give you the sign up. Then on January 31st, there is a spirit night at Kate Skate, so you can get your roller skates on and roll on over. I'm Drew Hitchin with your upcoming events.
I got you. Why can't basketball players go on vacation?
I don't know. Why can't they?
Because they're not allowed to travel.
That was really corny. Okay. Well, thank you guys for tuning in to Tell Me Something Good News. We'll see y'all later. Bye.
Bye-bye.